Step 1. First, connect the handset. Grab the longer, straight end of the cord. Plug it into the base below the handset icon. Thread the cord through the channel. Plug the other end into the handset. Step 2. Install the footstand into whichever slot gives you a good incline. Step 3. Connect Ethernet. Plug your Ethernet cable into the port marked with the network icon. Plug the other end into your network connection or switch. If you don't have a spare Ethernet port, you can share a port by daisy-chaining your phone with your computer. Unplug your computer's Ethernet connection from the network, and plug the cable from your network into the port marked with the network icon. Then plug your computer's Ethernet into the port on your phone marked with the laptop icon. The cable should run from the network to your phone, then your phone to your PC. Step 4. Connect power. Plug the AC jack into the base of the phone and the plug into a power outlet. If you're using power over Ethernet, the network cable will supply the power and you will not need to have an AC adapter. Step 5. The main LCD displays the correct date and time plus the phone extension when it's ready. If the phone successfully cycles through these steps, it has started up properly. Now you're connected to your hosted phone system and ready to make and receive calls.